Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I bring you the 2018 Mazda CX-3. Let's do a quick walk around of the vehicle here. It's a very sharp looking vehicle, looks very good in person. I found a lot of Mazdas. The new line of Mazdas just look awesome in person. Take an interior look here. Thanks to Werner Mazda, I'm able to review this car for you. Here's the window sticker for this car. So 2018 Mazda CX-3. This one's in Soul Red Metallic, interior color being black. MSRP on this specific one comes out to $27,890. It's the 2.0 liter. 146 horsepower, 146 pound-feet of torque, all-wheel drive. Very nicely optioned. So you have the leather here with the cloth inserts. Even on the door here, it's almost like a Alcantara kind of material. This one does come equipped with keyless entry. Lock the car, push the button here, hit it once for driver's door, hit it twice for all doors. Alright, so once you're inside, it's a very nice place to be. These seats are very comfortable. It's a very nice feeling cabin. It does come equipped with push button start. Put your foot on the brake, hit the button to go. And you have the heads-up display that pops up there. But yeah, it's a very, very nice cabin. Very good feeling materials. You have the Bose speaker system. All four windows are power with your driver's side being full automatic. Have like this brushed aluminum kind of material here. Very good feeling. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a drive. So overall, it is a very good car to drive. It's pretty comfortable. Has a good amount of get up and go to it. The heads-up display is very, very clear. I'm not sure how much you can see in the camera. Engine has a good amount of low-down torque. It feels turbocharged, but it isn't. With the all-wheel drive, this car would make an awesome winter vehicle. Winter daily driver. Even though this is considered a compact SUV, it does drive very well. That's one thing that's really surprised me, is how I can take corners and feel comfortable and not be like, I'm gonna flip this thing over like some other SUVs I've driven. What I've found is with no matter what Mazda you get, you're gonna get great handling and very nice car to drive. Put the gearbox down into sport here, changes the shift points more aggressively for a more sport-oriented experience. Brake feel is very good. I was gonna say, please don't be turning left. Alright, so let's put it down into manual mode here. In order to do that, you just put it here. You can shift with the steering wheel mounted paddles. Of course, right's your up, left's your down. And then you could also shift with the stick itself, with down being up and up being down. Makes more sense when you're driving it than how I just explained it. Let's try the power here. Got blind spot monitoring in the mirrors here. Paddles do what you want. Nice little throttle blip on downshift in order to match the revs. Oh, nice old Land Cruiser there. Actually, you know what? I'll try it with the stick here. That's a good amount of fun to drive. Very similar to the Mazda 3. Oh, turkey, of course. But the reason it's so similar is because this is based off the Mazda 3 platform, which is a great platform in and of itself. Shifts are very smooth, barely feel them. The only way you can, more turkeys, the only way you could tell is, well, of course, the gauge and the sound. Speaking of the gauges, you have the middle is the tachometer with a digital readout of your outside temperature, your range, and your fuel gauge. On the left, it is the gear and the odometer. When you first start up the car, there is a blue temperature icon, lets you know the engine's cold. Once the car warms up, that goes away. Let's go ahead and take this car out onto the highway and see how it does out there. Sometimes with these smaller SUVs, I found they suffer on the highway, so so far cruising at about 60 miles an hour. Very smooth ride. Not too much noise at all. Very, very comfortable. Cruising at 70 here, right about 2,500 RPM. Very little engine noise to be heard. It's a very quiet vehicle. Car doesn't pull at all to the side with road imperfections. It's just comfortable. Overall, great car. Mazda does a great job on every vehicle they make. And yeah, thank you so much for watching Car Guy 1999 Reviews, and stay tuned for future reviews. Have a good one, guys.